Ha?
Look at that.
Saan? Kabayang bundat?
Wow! A bridge there. And that's where. Look at tubig.
Tubig?
Yeah, that's from the tubig truck. Tubig truck. Look at those.
Saan galing yung tubig?
Huh?
Saan galing yung tubig na yan?
There.
Ayan, saan?
There. Ah, there.
Kaya nga, saan nga galing yan?
There.
Hindi doon?
Here. Yeah, oh yeah, there.
Oh.
It goes over there. Yeah. Yeah, it goes. Yeah, it goes. Yeah.
Oh, halika na. May datating.
It's. Ah! Somebody brings dirt here. They're bad. Where's the other thing? Pink. There's some pink flower. Flower. Get it. Got it. Ah, let's go. Get out of here. Papa, that's where the snake is.
Saan?
There.
Saan?
Snake.
So,
Yeah.
snake yun, naririnig mo?
Yeah.
Oh, sige, kasi malaki dun eh.
Huh?
Oo, ayun oh.
It's so windy outside. Oh, it feels so better. It feels good. But let's go to that bench. I want ribbon. Another ribbon, really? Whoa, it's a bow. Whoa. Wow. Let's go all the way to there. On that. Let's go.
Halika na.
Come on, let's go all over the place. But isn't it somewhere dead?
Huwag mo ano yun yan.
It is somewhere dead.
May gearbox yan.
Yeah! And so we just put it there inside school. And we were, no, it's not inside there. Yeah. And they were, come on, let's go!
Eh, huwag kayo tumakbo. Eh, tapon mo na yan. Paano naman yan? Oh, tabi kayo, tabi.
Little waves, Papa. Little waves. Little waves, Papa. Little waves. Little waves. Come on, look it down. Waves. But that's the deep part.
Hmm?
That's a deep part. But is that a deep part?
Deep.
That's a deep part. Is that deep? Well, let's go to that part. Because I want to see it. Huh?
Eh, huwag kayo tumakbo. Tia.
But look at those. Those are surfing. Those bubbles are surfing.
Surfing in the USA.
Those bubbles are surfing.
Ha? Duckies? Ano ba yun? Tikling. Tinikling. Ayan o.
Walking ducks.
Anong pangalan yan?
These are
Mahaba
walking
yung
ducks. Walking ducks.
mahaba yung ano, paa.
Huh? Mahaba.
Hmm.
Oh, look at those.
Oo.
Oh.
Ito.
I'm gonna get. See, do you see that? See? Whoa! Papa, can you help me
Ayun, nandyan ka na nga eh.
Oh, cool. Look at that big one. It looks like a flamingo.
Yeah.
It is a flamingo. It is a flamingo? Yeah.
Yan.
Yeah. That walking one.
Kulay pink yung paa.
Yeah. And the body's pink, but now it changed to that. It's a flamingo.
Flamingo Ingo.
Flamingo. Flamingo.
Ano bang sabi niya?
Chip, chip.
Chip chip?
No, it does not say anything. It drinks the water. Papa!
Oh. Ayun o, yung dalakdak.
Oh, Sophia, look, a dragonfly! Where? It's there.
Dragonfly.
That one is so fast. That can fly. Elephant flying. Oh no! What? What? The duckies does not have leggies because they can swim. Leggies. Papa, look! Papa! Look, let's go! Oh, Papa, look at this! It's this one, Papa.
Ano yan?
It's a beaver. It's a beaver.
Justin?
Look at a beaver.
Justin? This one?
This is not it. Let's find it. Wait. Oh, I want that. That's cute. It's this one. This one. That one. Come, let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. We can go here.